Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into troubleshooting and fixing the VS Code shell integration failed to activate error. This error usually arises when VS Code's integrated terminal has trouble setting up its shell environment, preventing features like command history, correct terminal paths, and sometimes even basic command execution. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you understand the issue and resolve it. Understanding the problem. VS Code's shell integration is a feature that enhances the interaction between the editor and the integrated terminal. When properly activated, it provides command history, access to previously executed commands. Current working directory synchronization. Ensures the terminal's current directory matches the open folder in VS Code. Terminal path handling. Handles environment variables and path settings correctly within the terminal. Task management. Allows tasks defined in tasks.json to run seamlessly in the integrated terminal. More robust terminal features. Improves terminal performance and stability. When shell integration fails, you might experience the terminal opening in a default location, usually your home directory, instead of the project folder. Commands not being found because environment variables aren't loaded correctly. VS Code not recognizing the terminal type, example showing unknown instead of bash or PowerShell. Tasks failing to execute or producing unexpected results. Error messages like shell integration failed to activate in the terminal. Some extensions may not work as expected. Causes of shell integration failure. Several factors can contribute to this problem. 1. Incorrect shell configuration. The shell configured in VS Code settings might be invalid, missing, or not properly set up. 2. Conflicting environment variables. Environment variables that interfere with shell initialization, especially related to path, PS1, or shell-specific settings. 3. Shell profile issues. Errors or conflicts in shell profile scripts, example.bashrc.zshrc, PowerShell profile.ps1, that prevent the shell from initializing correctly. 4. Extension conflicts. Some VS Code extensions can inadvertently interfere with shell integration. 5. Corrupted VS Code installation. Rarely, the VS Code installation itself may be corrupted. 6. Antivirus/security software. Certain antivirus or security software can prevent VS Code from properly setting up the terminal environment. 7. User permissions. Lack of the necessary permissions to access the shell executable or related files. 8. Remote development issues. Issues when working in remote development environments, such as SSH or WSL. 9. Special characters in path or file names. Unusual characters or spaces in path of VS Code folder can cause problems. 10. Update problems. An update of VS Code or the shell can break configuration. Troubleshooting and solutions. Let's go through a systematic approach to resolve this issue. I'll provide code examples and explanations where applicable. 1. Verify the shell configuration in VS Code. The first step is to ensure VS Code is configured to use the correct shell. Access VS Code settings. Go to File Preferences Settings, or Code Settings on Mac OS. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+, or CMD+ on Mac OS. Search for terminal.integrated.shell.windows, Windows, terminal.integrated.shell.osx, Mac OS, or terminal.integrated.shell.linux, Linux. Check the value. The value should be the full path to your desired shell executable. Windows Asterisk C \\\Windows \\\System 32 \\\Command exe, command prompt. Asterisk C \\\Windows \\\System 32 \\\Windows PowerShell \v1.0 PowerShell.exe, PowerShell. Asterisk C \\program files \\git \ben \bash.exe, git bash, if installed. Asterisk C \\program files \PowerShell \7 \pwsh.exe, PowerShell 7 or later. Asterisk Mac OS asterisk. Asterisk /ben/bash, bash. Asterisk /ben/zsh, zsh, often the default. Asterisk /usr/local/ben/fish, fish, if installed. Asterisk Linux asterisk. Asterisk /ben/bash, bash, often the default. Asterisk /ben/zsh, zsh. Asterisk /usr/ben/fish, fish, if installed. Asterisk example settings, settings.json. Asterisk important asterisk if the path is incorrect or missing, update it to the correct location of your shell executable. Use backslashes, \\, as escape characters in Windows paths. 2. Use terminal.integrated.shellintegration.enabled setting. Confirm that shell integration is enabled. The terminal.integrated.shellintegration.enabled setting must be set to true. 3. Test with a simple shell ***. Temporarily try a very basic shell to see if the problem persists. This helps isolate if the issue lies with your usual shell configuration. Windows set the shell to command exe. Mac OS/Linux set the shell to /ben/sh. This is a very basic shell that is almost always present. If the shell integration works with the basic shell, the problem is likely within your usual shell's configuration. Step 4. 4. Inspect and clean your shell profile scripts. The most common cause is a problem in your shell profile scripts. These scripts run when the shell starts and can interfere with VS Code's shell integration. Identify your shell profile ***. Bash .bash underscore profile, .bash underscore login, .profile, bash reads these in order, stopping after the first one that exists. .bashrc is the most common. *zsh .zshrc, .sprofile, .zlogin, .profile, zsh also reads these in a specific order. .zshrc is the most common. PowerShell, Windows $profile variable, PowerShell profile. To find the exact path, open PowerShell and type $profile. Common locations include *C \users \your username \documents \windows PowerShell \profile.ps1. *C \users your username \documents \profile.ps1. *fish *config /fish /config.fish. Open the profile script open the relevant profile script in a text editor, including VS Code itself. Look for common issues errors syntax errors or commands that fail during shell initialization. These can halt the profile script execution and prevent VS Code's shell integration from activating. Environment variable conflicts unintentional modifications to essential environment variables like path. Check for lines that set or modify path and ensure they are correct. Be careful about appending to path multiple times. Asterisk prompts, PS1 overly complex or incorrectly configured prompt settings, PS1 in bash/zsh, $PS1 in PowerShell, can interfere. Try temporarily simplifying your prompt. Asterisk external commands, asterisk calls to commands that might be missing or take a long time to execute. Comment out these lines to see if it helps. Asterisk encoding, asterisk ensure the profile script is saved with UTF-8 encoding, especially on Windows. Incorrect encoding can lead to parsing errors. Asterisk long-running commands, asterisk avoid commands that take a very long time to execute in your profile scripts, as this can slow down terminal startup and potentially cause issues. Asterisk comment out sections for testing, asterisk the most effective approach is to comment out large sections of your profile script, restart VS Code, and see if the shell integration works. If it does, gradually uncomment sections until you find the problematic code. Asterisk example, bash/zsh, potential path issue. Asterisk example, PowerShell, potential prompt issue. Asterisk debugging with echo/write host, asterisk insert temporary echo, bash/zsh, or write host, PowerShell, statements in your profile script to help you trace the execution flow and identify where errors might be occurring. Asterisk bash/zsh asterisk echo debug, reached line 50. Asterisk PowerShell asterisk write host debug, reached line 50. 5. Check for extension conflicts. Some VS Code extensions can interfere with shell integration, especially those that modify the terminal or shell environment. Asterisk disable extensions, asterisk disable all extensions and restart VS Code. Then, gradually enable them one by one to see if any specific extension is causing the problem. Asterisk specific extension considerations, asterisk be particularly cautious with extensions that asterisk claim to improve terminal performance. Asterisk modify shell environments. Asterisk provide custom terminal themes or integrations. 6. Remote development considerations. If you're using VS Code's remote development features, SSH, WSL, containers, the issue might be related to the remote environment setup. Asterisk SSH asterisk. Asterisk ensure the SSH connection is stable. Asterisk verify that the remote shell is configured correctly in your SSH configuration, /.ssh/config. Asterisk check the shell profile scripts on the remote machine for any issues. Asterisk WSL, Windows subsystem for Linux. Asterisk make sure WSL is properly installed and configured. Asterisk verify that the shell integration settings in VS Code are pointing to the correct WSL shell path, example terminal.integrated.shell.windows, C //windows //system32 //WSL.exe. If necessary, you might need to specify the distribution to use with WSLD distribution _name. For example, terminal.integrated.shell.windows, C //windows //system32 //WSL.exe Ubuntu. Asterisk check the shell profile scripts within your WSL distribution for any issues. Asterisk containers asterisk. Asterisk ensure the Docker container is running correctly. Asterisk verify that the shell environment within the container is properly configured. Asterisk check the dev container.json file for any settings that might be interfering with shell integration. 7. Check for special characters in path/file names. Ensure that the directory where VS Code is installed, your project folder, and the paths to your shell executables do not contain unusual characters or spaces. Spaces are generally okay if properly escaped, but it's best to avoid them if possible. Characters like $, and, asterisk, and, can sometimes cause problems. 8. VS Code installation issues. Reinstall VS Code. If you've tried everything else, consider reinstalling VS Code. Download the latest version from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Before reinstalling, you might want to back up your VS Code settings and extensions. You can use the settings sync feature to back up to a GitHub account. Check for updates. Ensure you are running the latest version of VS Code. Sometimes, older versions have bugs that are fixed in newer releases. 9. Antivirus/security software. Temporarily disable your antivirus or security software and see if the issue resolves. If it does, you'll need to configure your security software to allow VS Code and your shell executable to run without interference. 10. Reset VS Code user data and settings. This is a drastic measure, but it can sometimes resolve persistent issues. It will reset VS Code to its default state. Close VS Code. Locate the VS Code user data directory. Windows %of data %\code. Mac OS /library /application support /code. Linux *config /code. Rename the code directory to code.backup. This will create a backup of your existing settings and extensions. Start VS Code. This will create a new code directory with default settings. Test if the shell integration works. If it does, you can gradually copy settings and extensions from the code.backup directory to the new code directory, testing after each change to identify the source of the problem. 11. Specific error messages and solutions. The terminal process failed to launch. This often indicates a problem with the shell path or permissions. Double-check the shell path in VS Code settings and ensure the user has execute permissions for the shell executable. Shell integration activation timed out. This can happen if the shell initialization takes too long. Check your shell profile scripts for long-running commands or network delays. Unknown terminal type. This usually indicates that VS Code cannot determine the terminal type. Try setting the terminal.integrated.automation shell settings to explicitly specify the shell type. Example, settings.json with explicit terminal types. Example, PowerShell profile fix. If you have a complex prompt in your PowerShell profile, $profile, it may be causing issues. Try simplifying the prompt or temporarily disabling it. Summary checklist. 1. Verify the shell path in VS Code settings. 2. Check your shell profile scripts for errors, conflicts, and long-running commands. 3. Disable extensions to identify any conflicts. 4. Consider remote development environment configuration, SSH, WSL, containers. 5. Reinstall VS Code as a last resort. 6. Ensure shell integration is enabled. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and resolve the VS Code shell integration failed to activate error. Remember to test frequently after each change to isolate the root cause of the problem. Good luck.